The 24th, where did you talk to him?
He called me on the phone. He told me he was at the White House. He said he just left a meeting in the Oval Office, and he wanted me to approve the DocuSign executive approval memo for the outside counsel contract.
What do you remember about that conversation?
I remember we talked for about 10 minutes, and that was the day that I drew the line with the Attorney General that I would not cross, and I never did. I said I would not approve the contract. I said,
hold on.
Object, non-responsive, move to strike.
Abstain.
Hold on. What, just as best you can remember, tell us exactly what and how he said what he did, and then tell me your response to it.
He said, Mark, I'm at the White House. I just left a meeting in the Oval Office. I understand that the executive approval memo is with you. I need you to approve that contract.
At that time, were you aware one way or the other whether the contract had been signed by the Attorney General?
No, I wouldn't expect.
Yes, there you go. Did you know?
I didn't know.
All right. And so at that time, what was your level of knowledge of the status of the contract?
That it was stuck in my email inbox and it had not been approved through the normal office procedure because I wouldn't approve it.
All right. What did you respond to the Attorney General?
I said, Ken, I cannot approve this, and respectfully, I will not. And I told him why.
All right. Would you articulate for the jury exactly what you told him as to why you were not willing to approve that contract?
I told him that Nate Paul and his attorney were not being cooperative with us by giving us all the documents that I believe they had. They had gone to the media. Furthermore, there was no evidence of any crime. We had absolutely no scintilla of evidence that any criminal activity had occurred on the part of the federal agents, the state agents, the federal prosecutor, or the federal judge. And I said, ethically, Ken, I can't proceed with this investigation, and I'm the senior prosecutor in the agency. And if it's not right for me to do it, it's not right for me to delegate it to anybody else. I won't sign this.